Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't you worry about the thing. Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds, put you on my doorsteps, singing sweet song, melodies pure and true. This is my message to you. Don't you worry about the thing. Cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't you worry about the thing.
Hello.
Ako dali magpa-approve sa kapit.
Hi, boss.
Fisherman.
So, good evening. This is our day 1 here. Ay, sorry. Day 1 namin dito sa Cambalaete. So far, okay naman. So, tonight mag-iihaw sana kami, kaso pang dinner pa. So, mamaya muna. Excited lang si Sir Alan. Ha? Tambakol. Hindi, iba pa daw eh. Pero parang tambakol din. Parang tambakol din. So, pa-comment na lang kung ano ang Tagalog ng yellowfin.
Kasi may interaction, no?
Pa-comment down below.
Pwede.
Pa-heart.